Welcome back. During this module, I'm going to discuss the pre-formance basic product line. Pre-formance basic constitutes most of the parts and pieces that you see here in front of me, from a 4-square box with an integrated ground pigtail, unimount assemblies, assemblies with brackets and wiring devices installed, and just device covers with pre-wired devices included. All of these products are UL listed out of the factory. The unimount assembly is a unique material that allows for the integration of a bracket and a mud ring. This allows for quick and inexpensive installation and can be used with or without a box. Without a box is excellent for low voltage solutions. The basic assemblies are an excellent time saver and often used in prefab shops. Contractors will buy these parts and pieces and then modify them to their needs. This one is included with a switch installed, but they can be included with just device connectors or just a mud ring. Contractors can then customize these assemblies in their prefab shops or in the field. The covers with devices are a quick ship option to integrate two solutions that you would currently be purchasing separately. Anytime you're buying a raised surface cover, you're going to need a wiring device with it. So it's an excellent way to shorten your install time and reduce cost by buying a pre-wired device that's already installed with the raised surface cover. Mud rings are also available with the solution with a protective plate over it to protect the device during rough-in. Similar solution with a mud ring pre-wired device installed to the mud ring with the protective plate. For any prefab basic assembly, the assembly can be configured on our online product configurator. This is available through the Crouse-Hinds website or for our sales agents through the bidman process. Through the online configurator, a contractor or distributor customer can configure any assembly that they would like, save it, and create a drawing of that assembly with a spec sheet. This spec sheet will identify the UL listing of the assembly, as well as a rudimentary drawing of the basics parts and pieces. This will also give a bill of material for the exact material that was configured. For our sales agents, through Bidman, they can get instant pricing at distributor list pricing levels for this material. This is the fastest way for our customers to get pricing on basic parts and pieces. This ends the module on basic assemblies. Thank you.